Dell n7110 machine, customer's machine. In order to disassemble it, you gotta first take off the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this there was no screw there, I think. 6. There's 2 screws right here, 7 and 8. You don't have to take off this part actually. 9, did I mention this already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 2 screws right over here, 1 and 2, and then you got to take off these 3. Okay, once you're done with that, and did I mention this? Make sure you take off this 2 screws right here, otherwise the top won't come off. I think this was for the keyboard or something, I don't know. But anyway, when you do that, it's very difficult. This part is like that, the top of the computer. You don't open the hard drive through the bottom. This is the side that blocked me kind of, because I didn't take out this in the beginning. You have to remove the connections. This is the connection for the keyboard. Oh yeah, did I mention you have to take the keyboard off first? You do. After you're done removing the keyboard, which is, this is how it was, use one of these things from the top, over here, yank it out a little bit. There must have been a screw for this, I don't know. But anyway, the connection stays like this of the keyboard. Once you flip it, you have to disconnect this connection, then remove the keyboard. After that, you take off a screw from here, one from here, one from here, and then over here. Okay, when you do that, this screw right here is also actually the screw for the hard drive. You'll see. When you remove the screws, you have to remove these connections. These connections were connected over here. You might know that already if you're a technician, but this is the one for the mouse pad. That's for, I think, buttons, power button, and this might be, I don't know what. You have to remove these 3. Then you can pull this off. It's kind of hard. And this is the screw. Don't put this back in. When you remove the hard drive, 1, 2, 3, okay? This one is already off when you took off the top piece. Like I told you, it's right here. I'll put the top back on so maybe you can see. That's when you remove the hard drive and do your job, and then put this back. So I need a tripod. Oh, this is for the power button, I guess. Guessing still. Okay. Now that I put that back, I'm just gonna push down these pieces. You know, the top part goes first actually. Yeah, that's how it goes. So it's very strong even without the screws. You should pull from the side and put one of these things between in order to pick it up. Hold on. Oh, did I mention I took out the disk drive? Oh, now I remember. That was the screw for the disk drive. These two white screws right here, you see, they were right on this part, which must come off in order for the top to come off, and they're right underneath the CD drive, and that's the screw for the CD drive. Now I remember. Okay. Hope you got that. Just put this back. 1, 2, 3, 4 before you close the keyboard. See, as you can see, I just put the keyboard back, just put the screws back, and the keyboard, this part, black side, you know, I flipped it and then it goes in. That's the way it goes actually. Putting the keyboard back now. Keyboard is really dirty. Alright, so there you have it, the Dell n7110.